I'm here to show you how to stop that beep sound when recording on the Galaxy S4. Turn mine on. Swipe. I tap the camera. Now when I press record, you'll hear a beep. Now it's recording. You'll hear that beep sound when I stop it. Now to stop that beep sound, you need to turn the volume all the way down first. Tap the camera. Now when I press record, you won't hear that beep sound. It's recording. I didn't hear nothing. You won't hear the beep sound when I stop it. After recording, you just turn the volume back up. That's the only way to stop that beep sound.